Hey guys, it's Marc from the Applixure team. It is officially budget season. This means that it's the perfect time to review all your IT budgets for next year. The easiest and biggest area to save is unused SaaS subscriptions. Like quite a lot of companies that we've spoken to are paying for SaaS tools that are currently not actively being used. So it's just a waste, and we can definitely find ways to spend that money wiser. So let me show you in Applixure Analytics how you can quite easily see which SaaS tools are being used and which ones are not. You could maybe cancel for next year. So let's jump in. So here we are in the Applixure dashboard. You have your service score on the top and the 4 key areas of how we calculate the service score. Now we're interested in software and specifically how software is being used, or be more specific, not being used. So we're going to go to the left in the menu and click on software. Once we come here, we see our software dashboard. We see all the software products installed on end users' devices. But I'm going to jump in here to this section. So active usage and other usage. If I click on this, it will pop up this screen. And then we're going to go for never seen used. This is a filter. So when I click on this now, the mosaic on the top will get updated. If I now click on show products as a list, I will see all the products that are not actively being used. So we're going to scroll a bit and let's just jump into Adobe Express, for example. Now here we have more detailed information on how active it's being used, how many devices have installed it, and some other relevant information, even the history of the app itself. Now here, straight away, we can see this has been deployed on one device. And we can also see that this has been installed 3.8 months ago and is actually never being used. Now this is a clear example of where you could save in your SaaS subscriptions, because if you're paying for this already 3 and almost 4 months now, you could be saving money here. So ideally you cancel this subscription based on this information, and you can optimize your budget to invest it elsewhere. So there's also quite a few SaaS tools out there that are specifically web-based. These are not on devices themselves, but people have to log in through the web. Now, we can also track this, but there are some limitations here. We can still provide you with very insightful data, but if you have some very specific questions, let us know and our team can help you out. So our product team has also written a very specific document on how to measure web applications and what limitations it has and what steps you need to take in order to successfully implement this in order to gain all the insights. But still, if you have any questions, please reach out to the team and they'll happily answer any questions you might have related to this, how to measure this. So there you go. This is how you can see with Applixure Analytics which SaaS tools you're currently paying for but are currently not being used, and on which one you could save for next year in order to optimize your budget for next year. If you have any questions for me or the team, please let us know in the comments, and otherwise, catch you on the next one.